Hello, this is Patrick White with your Tuesday, July 7th morning market update. Overnight, we've got outside markets lower. The September S&P is down 21 points at 3,152. The Dow is down 208 points at 25,971. The stock market is seeing sellers come through here this morning as traders are taking some profits after yesterday's sharp rally. The September S&P contract is going back to test the 3150 level here this morning, and if you remember, that was the old high for the old range that we broke out of yesterday, so it's a pretty significant area to watch. Still, upside action is expected for stocks and they're in their longer-term uptrends at this time. Crude oil is also lightly lower, but it is staying above the $40 psychological support level here this morning, and that's also good to see. Grain markets are lower here overnight. December corn is 5.5 cents lower at 341.5. November soybeans are 4.25 cents lower at 9.02 even. The corn market here has found some sellers overnight. This is despite the USDA reporting corn condition ratings at just 71% good to excellent versus the 72% expected by the market and 57% last year. Corn silking is at 10% versus 16% of the 5-year average. The corn market is showing that we could have gone high enough technically here for the time being. However, I think this is just some sideways consolidation type of action ahead of Friday's WASDE report when we get to know a lot more information about the crop. The longer-term trend for corn is still higher, and the weather is still expected to be poor for the next few weeks, and I think that's what the trade will be focused on. So soybeans are seeing some light pressure here overnight. Yesterday afternoon, the USDA reported soybean conditions at 71% good to excellent, which was unchanged, and that was versus 70% expected and 53% last year. And soybeans blooming was reportedly 31% versus the 24% 5-year average, so a little bit ahead there. Soybeans also got to see some business from China yesterday with a 264,000-ton soybean sale for the old crop marketing year. The soybean market is still being influenced by the hot and dry weather, just like corn, and for the longer term, the trend is still up, although we could see some choppy, consolidative, corrective type of action here in the near term. Just a reminder here that cash sales and put options are still recommended for your corn and soybeans ahead of the WASDE report out on Friday the 10th. And look to the newsletter or give us a call to talk about your specific cash grain sales scenario. And other than that, I don't have a whole lot for today. Looks like we're going to have a little bit of a setback here on this Tuesday. So have a productive day out there, and remember that there is significant risk in trading futures and options, and it is not suitable for all investors. For more information on commodity markets, give us a call at 712-262-7606. Thanks.